Lamb Achari. Classic lamb gosht curry infused with Achari masala, bringing a perfect balance of savory and tart notes. No need for pickles on the side. This curry has all the tangy flavors you crave. Welcome back to Burmawala Kitchen. Let's start by preparing our Achari masala. Grind together 2 teaspoons each of coriander and fennel seeds, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Aim for a coarse blend, not too fine. This masala will be the star of our dish. Here's how it should look. Just perfect. Now take 1 kilogram of boned lamb and add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and 1 tablespoon of chaat masala. Mix it thoroughly. No need to marinate for long. We're diving straight into cooking. In a medium to high heated pan, pour in a 1/4 cup of oil. Add 3 medium onions finely chopped. Fry these for about 6 minutes until they turn translucent. Halfway through, add all of our Achari masala. Keep frying until the onions soften and acquire a golden hue. The onions are ready, and it's time to add our spiced lamb. Fry the meat and onions together for a good 5 minutes, ensuring the lamb sears well and the spices come alive. This step is crucial for developing deep flavors. You might notice that I always pre-spice the meat before cooking. I find it ensures each piece gets a good coating of spices. Halfway through searing, add 1 teaspoon of nigella seeds. Once the meat is seared, add 4 medium-sized pulverized tomatoes. Fresh tomatoes are best, but if you have canned ones, those work too. Mix everything together, allowing the flavors to meld. Add 5 green chilies to bring some heat. You can adjust this to suit your taste. After another quick mix, reduce the heat and stir in half a cup of yogurt. We lower the heat to prevent the yogurt from curdling. Mix it in well. Pour in half a cup of water. Give one last stir. Bring it to a gentle boil, cover, and cook on low heat for 60 minutes, or until the meat is tender. Once the meat is cooked, we need to thicken the curry by reducing the liquid. Increase the heat and keep stirring to prevent the meat from burning at the bottom. A splatter guard can be handy here. Finally, squeeze in the juice of a whole lemon. This is essential for achieving the tangy Achari flavor. And there you have it. Our lamb Achari is ready. Look at how delicious it looks. Restaurant quality food right at home. Finish with a sprinkle of fresh green coriander. Let's capture all the angles and appreciate this wonderful dish. This curry tastes absolutely delicious, with the achari flavors bringing that tangy, pickle-like essence without using actual achar from a jar. We know exactly what's gone into our dish. Serve it with some fresh extra chilies if you like, and perhaps more lemon on the side. It's best served with naan or rice. Thanks for joining me once more. Happy cooking.